Question number one, when should we prune avocados and mangoes? And actually, I think this person is in Southern California. So avocados and mangoes are a little bit of a different ball game. Now, when we look at things like stone fruits, peach, pear, plum, nectarine, even apples, the winter time, January, February, is really the prime time for pruning because you want to be pruning them when they are fully dormant. Now with avocados and mangoes, there's not really a full dormancy period. So they are not deciduous where they're dropping their leaves every single year. So pruning on avocados and mangoes is very different. So the best time to prune is when there's the least amount of sap and growth, sap flowing and growth happening on the plant. So really what you want to do is watch the tree when it's done producing its last fruit. Give it a week or two. What happens is that tree just kind of exhales, I guess you could say. It kind of pauses because it's been holding on to that fruit all spring, all summer long. As soon as it's done, that tree kind of takes a little bit of a break. So you're going to see a little bit less green growth being pushed. It focuses on the root establishment, and that's when you want to prune. So it's going to depend on the tree. So for example, let's look at avocados. So like your Fantastic and your Joey that are ripening in like July, August, those are starting to wrap up, many of them, and the fruit is already done. So it's okay for you to go ahead and prune those ones that are already done. Some of the mangoes are already done producing fruit. Go ahead and get those pruned now. The other reason I like to prune them this time of year, practically, is hurricane season. I want to take off as much of the weight and those the big canopy as I can. Now on my avocados, I personally do not like an avocado that is a 30 or 40 foot tall tree. Now if it's in the front yard or the side yard, okay, I get it. Primarily, I like them where I can reach them. So when I prune an avocado, not a mango, when I prune an avocado, I would take a pole saw, go up as high as you can reach with the pole saw, and just cut it off that way so it stays more columnar or cylindrical, almost like an extra large hedge or a bush, you know what I mean? That way the branches are growing almost all the way to the ground where I can reach all of the fruit on the tree. That's just my personal take on avocados. It's not gonna affect the life expectancy or anything like that, more than maybe a couple years at most. So when you prune your avocados and mangoes, all depends on the variety or the cultivar. So wait until it's done fruiting, give it a week or two, and then go ahead and prune.